Hi everyone. I'd like to show you some shortcuts we have in Form Builder. First up, you can use the right and the left arrow keys to easily navigate between cells. When you're on the cell, say this first name here, you can use Shift Enter, and this opens the control settings. I can exit and close the dialog by pressing the Escape key. Form Builder also implements the usual cut, copy, paste with either Control or Command X, C, and V. Say I want to move this checkbox to the left in this empty cell. I'll first do a cut and then a paste. Now, if I want to undo this, I can use Control Y or Command Z. The first time undoes the paste, and the second time, the cut. Many more UI elements can be accessed using keyboard shortcuts. At the bottom here, you can see there are shortcuts for save, publish, and test. This shortcut here is a bit different from what we've seen so far. It has no modifier key, and you can just hit the letters in sequence like so. There are many others like that. For instance, in the Advanced tab, several dialogues can be opened with a shortcut that starts with the letter O. For instance, OP opens the permissions dialog, and I can quickly enable permissions on my form. There are more in the Control tab, and as you might have noticed, if a shortcut is available, it shows on mouse over, so you can discover them without adding too much clutter to the UI. That's all for today. I hope you'll find those shortcuts useful, and if you have any questions or feedback, please let us know in the comments below.